السلام علیکم اسٹوڈینٹس، آئی ہوپ یو آر آل فائن اینڈ سیف ایٹ ہوم اینڈ ایم شیور آپ کی عید جو ہے وہ بہت مزے کی اور پیاری سی گزری ہوگی. اسٹوڈینٹس ناؤ اٹس ریڈنگ ٹائم. اوپن یور میتھ ریڈنگ بک فار پلے گروپ اینڈ دا پیج نمبر is 9. As you know, we start counting and we learned in previous lecture 1, and today we learn 2, number 2. What's this? Number 2. 2. What's this? 2. What's become after 1 is 2. Counting में सबसे पहले 1 and then 2. What's this? 2. How many apples are these? 1, 2. 1, 2. कितने apples हैं ये? 2. How many apples are these? 2. Come to the next page. What's this? 2. Raise your index finger, put on this point, and then move to back, and then forward, and then back, and the 2 is complete. I repeat, raise your index finger, put at this point around the back, come to forward, and then move to back. क्या बन गया? It's 2. 2 को ट्रेस करना बहुत इजी है. ठीक है, आपने इसी तरह अपनी इंडेक्स फिंगर को मूव ऑन करके 2 को ट्रेस करना है. इस 2 को व्हाट्स दिस? 2. नेक्स्ट जो है वो है जॉइन द डॉट्स टू मेक अ 2. जॉइन दिस डॉट्स टू मेक 2. We start from this point, move to back, and then move to forward, and at the end move to back again at this point, and then we done it. 2 is completed. It's 2. What's this? 2. How many ice creams are these? 1, 2. 1, 2. It's so yummy. It's 2 ice creams. ठीक है बच्चों? Open your workbook 1 for playgroup and the page number is 17. What's this? 2. How many caps are these? 2. Let's start with me. Put your index finger at this point, move to back and then forward, and then move again to back point. It's 2. I repeat, start from this point, move to back, and then move your finger to forward, and then move to back. It's 2. इसी तरह आपने पेंसिल से पिक अप योर पेंसिल्स एंड जॉइन दिस डॉट्स टू मेक अ 2. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, मूव टू बैक ऑन दिस पॉइंट्स and move your pencil to forward, and then move to back again at this point and stop. It's 2. I repeat, start from this point, move your pencil to back, and the next step move your pencil to forward, stop, and then move your pencil again to back. We done it. It's 2. What's this? It's 2. I'm sure you learn. इसी तरह आपने 2 को ट्रेस कर लेना है. ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच. इट्स सो इजी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.